because this is a wall clock, the setting gear assembly is integrated into what we call the back plate. Back plate typically looks like this from this arrow. Okay, you notice that gear is not there. It's going to be separate for desk shelf clocks. With the wall clocks, it's integrated. So what you'll have to do to take this off and clean it is you'd have to go to the back here. Now, these two screws are holding in what's called the coil, and by electricity, the rotor, not literally. So you take these two screws out, and you're gonna have this bracket, these two screws. This is the coil, which you want to be very careful with, not touch any of this stuff down here, because if one of these wires separates, then the coil won't work anymore. So we want to take this and pull up. Now, a lot of times the rotor will come up with it. This is the rotor. And if I turn this back and forth and pull gently, the two will separate. So there's your rotor, there's your coil. Now, when I do that, it allows the minute hand sleeve, which is in here like this, okay? It allows that to then slide out. And your back plate should look something like this. This is riveted on. This is attached. It probably can be removed, but it doesn't need to be, okay? And what you'd want to do with your back plate is clean it up, get any gook off of there. Same with front plate, all the sleeves, all the brass parts. That's what we're talking about. Now, I don't know what your system is, but it's going to be a variation of this right here. So on this side, you have, this is for setting the time. And on the back, you have this gear. And you have some extension that is going to pull down, and, or actually yours doesn't look like it pulls down. It looks like it's just set there, so that when you turn it, it turns that gear, which turns this gear, moves the clock hands so you can set the time.